Hi guys, binudol ko si mama. So, bumili tayo ng 2 pirasong Tubay Chewy cookie. I'm super excited to try this, guys. Kasi I saw this on TikTok. Parang gusto ko i-try. Buti na lang. Available to sa place natin. Mama bought 2 flavors. One is Nutella and one is the original mustachio. Pistachio. Ito na guys, the moment of truth. Kagat na ako. Tagal ni mama. Guys, kagat na ako. Sarap nito. So guys, it tastes like masarap. It tastes like pistachio. Uwi talaga siya crunchy. Happy ako dun kasi sobrang stretchy na. Kita mo ba yan guys? Ang sarap. I was so amazed of the taste. I didn't expect this to be so good. Mama took a bite. Kala ko sa akin lang to. Yun pala. Tig-isa pala kami. Parang ako nabuldol guys. Pero masarap siya. I really love its taste. I remind you guys, you always need tissue. Because this is so messy to eat. Magagalit ang mama mo pag wipe mo sa shirt mo. Be honest guys, I wanna finish it all. But my mama said we got to share. Sharing is caring. My mom and dad like it. But natakot ako baka inubusan ako. So, I watched them carefully. And lucky me, they didn't finish it all. So, let's move on to the Nutella flavor. So, this is so good. This is so chocolatey. I think my palate finds it amusing. Mama said the crunchy part is called katayfi. I wanna buy many of this because it tastes so good. But guys, the sad thing is it's so expensive. That's why I'm so grateful to taste this. So guys, you need to ipon this so you can buy this too. If your alikansya is full, you can buy many as you can. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Bye!